Hi, welcome to this typical muley production video. Out today looking for birds. Hopefully you can see the snow's coming down. I have some footage from earlier this week too that I'll put also in this video. I'll keep you posted on what I see. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And thanks for watching. So we have this immature bald eagle right here. Pretty cool footage. He's on the top of a telephone pole, eating on something. I couldn't tell what he was eating because it looked weird. Like, what the heck is he eating? Kind of funny. And in this clip, I'll comment on it a little more. Yeah, he's just going to town on this piece of meat here. This bald eagle's eating like a swan foot or something. I don't know for sure what he's eating, but this here's pretty cool. This is a great horned owl sitting in this tree, and I just happened to see him as I was driving by. And as you can see, we got this great horned owl right here. Beautiful owl. Just hunkered right here in the some cool footage. Yeah, let's see if you can find this great horned owl in this photo here. It's pretty cool. If you can see him, he's right in the middle of the screen. Oh, I'm out this morning looking for birds. I was going to go out looking for big game this morning, but it's foggy, so not a very good morning to see big game. So I'm out this morning looking for birds, and I just got done taking some pictures of a downy woodpecker, so I'll show you that footage. It's pretty cool. It's just a female downy, kind of a cool picture. I've seen some squirrels this morning. I've seen a porcupine, black-billed magpies, just some various things. But I'll definitely show you the footage of that downy woodpecker. That's pretty cool. So this little downy woodpecker, he was only about 10 feet away in this cottonwood tree here, and I was getting some pictures of him. Just pretty little female downy. Fun clip, cool clip. So I got this porcupine in a tree over here. He's sitting on top of a magpie nest, so I'll show you some footage of him. He's not in a very good spot to get good pictures or good footage, but I'll at least show you him up there on the nest. It's kind of cool just to see him just sleeping on the nest up there. So alright, so here's the footage. I don't know if you can see very well, but there's this porcupine right here. He's sitting on top of an old magpie nest. He's just hanging out. I wish I could get better pictures of him, but he's just in a spot where there's no way to get really good pictures of him. So it's cool to see a porcupine out here. He's just sitting on top of this nest here. Kind of cool. So that was kind of cool. Just running into some American tree sparrow. Got okay film of them in pictures. Not the best, but It's cool to see him anyway. Yeah, I'll show you the footage. So like this screen said, this is actually a song sparrow, and it was hard to tell at the time in this thick undergrowth here. I thought at first it was a American tree sparrow, but when I reviewed the footage I realized it was a song sparrow. So enjoy the clip. This is me and my wife. I saw these blue jays on this bird feeder, so I went back and got my wife, and we came back and filmed these blue jays. There was a lot of other cool birds here too. Focus. There you go. You can hear the blue jay. He didn't like this Steller's jay very much. he was yakking at him. And then these are just a couple of clips of that Steller's jay. And then this pair landed on the bird feeder. So I want to get pictures of them not on. Where'd you go? And you'll see this blue jay here call. Just some cool birds. And these are the dark-eyed juncos. Just got a little bit of footage of them. You can hear the blue jays calling in the background. Just some cool little birds. And then this clip is really cool. Just beautiful with the frost-covered limbs around this dark-eyed junco. Just a cool clip. Where's the chickadees that sit there? And this is a northern flicker, and he's sitting here just eating on these apples. Just some cool footage. A little on the backstory of that blue jay. I took my wife to see the blue jays because she'd never seen a blue jay before. In our area, blue jays aren't very common. Like, you don't see them very often. So, and this is a beautiful ringneck pheasant rooster. And got some pretty cool footage of him. He's just chilling here, eating something right here in the snow right here. Such beautiful birds. The variety of colors is just amazing on these beautiful pheasants. So, just cool. And then this is a common goldeneye, and my wife is actually filming this, and these swans as well. I just wanted to help her get some practice on doing a little bit of filming, and she did a great job. If you notice, a ringneck duck will come through right here in just a second. Female goldeneye right there. And this is a Wilson snipe. This is the first one I've ever seen in this area in the winter. I don't think they're super uncommon here in the winter, but this is the first one I've ever seen. This is gonna make some shaky. You see them a lot in the summer, but you don't see them very much here in the winter. And this footage is cool. This is of a blue heron, and he's sitting on this kind of nest box thing in the fog. Just awesome footage. So there's this blue heron sitting on this nesting box right here, and it's kind of a cool picture in the fog here. Couldn't pass this one up. This might be picture of the year. That's how good this is. And this is a red-tailed hawk that I caught in this tree, and I just like the frosty limbs and stuff. Just really cool setting. And these are the images that I captured that I really like. And in the comments, let me know which ones you like the best and why. I hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. In the comments, let me know what your favorite piece was, what your favorite clip was, what your favorite image was. Also, let me know what you liked about this video, what you didn't like about this video, where you think I can improve, what you think I can do better. Also, just some upcoming notes. So later this month, I'll probably be putting out a video on more mule deer on the winter range, also some elk footage from the winter range, and some moose footage from the winter range. So hopefully look forward to that. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment, and live in the moment, enjoy the memories. Thanks for watching.